Hi everyone, so today we're going to do a rear wheel bearing on this 2005 Honda Civic EX. This one's making some noise right here on the driver's side rear, so let's get to work. There we go. You can see the inner race is seized on there. That should slide off, so that may have been part of our problem. So now we have to figure out how to get that off. That'll be fun. Way better jack. Ta-da. I might actually use this one. Seems to be in a little better shape. Oh, and look, that one just slid right off. Incredible. So since I'm having such problems getting this inner race off, I'm just gonna leave it and hope that it is fine. I mean, it's shiny and it's probably not ideal, but the new one should be, or the new used one should be better. I'm just gonna take this inner race off of this one, and then we're just gonna slide it on there. So that's all for this episode. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.